Hi, my name is Joani Pemberton with Simply Vegas, and I'm going to take you on a tour of this Plan 4 model, which is a one-story home, and it features 2,775 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and a 2-car garage. We're in Inspirada at a Tri Pointe development. It's called Strada. I think there's about 7 lots left, and the next lots that are going to be released in August. And it takes about 6 to 8 months for build time here. And so they're wrapping up this community, and I'm going to take you around. I think this is the only one. No, there are 2 one-story models. Only one is featured as a model, but there are 2 one-story floor plans, I should say. So the base price of this home is $667,000, and usually buyers will put like 20% over that in the house for upgrades, just to let you know. So let's take a look around. So here we are again outside in this Plan 4 Strada collection. Again, it has 2,775 square feet. It's Plan 4. We're in Strada. This house is pretty lovely, actually. It's a one-story home. It has this nice little courtyard, not really a courtyard, but porch. So we have some steps. These homes are kind of, they don't have big yards, so they're easy care. So we have this little sitting area out here on the porch. We have the nice windows and this lovely stone. When we first walk into the home, we walk into this lovely entryway, and it has this beautiful taupe tile. Just in the entryway, it is laid very interesting. Nice chandelier, asymmetrical ceilings. Right in the middle of the room here, in between the conversation area, the dining room, the family room, and the kitchen, and this entryway, we have this beam right here, kind of a retaining wall beam, if you will. Moving along, we first walked into that door. First, I should probably take you over here. The very first thing we're going to see to the left is a powder room. Powder room kind of has some busy wallpaper going on. Nice sink, kind of a taupe color. The color of the cabinetry is lovely. Dark taupe color. This has a window. We're in front of the house. This also has a closet in this bathroom, which is nice. Haven't seen that. Good help. Storage is always a help. Again, sink right there. Okay, so walking on the way to this powder room is a coat closet that has a smart connections for you. So when you walk into the home, on the left is going to be, again, there's the front door. There is the window to the front of the house. We have this nice little conversation area, and it can be whatever you want. It can be your dining room, if you will. It has a dry bar. Lovely quartz countertop. It has this beautiful, unfinished, kind of rough stacked stone. Very pretty. The next room is this little, they have it set up as a dining area. It has its own sliding glass door that goes out to this partially covered patio. Get there. Again, it has a stacked stone on the back wall where the window is. Nice feature. Okay, moving along to the kitchen. Okay, this kitchen and the great room, they're all together in basically one room. This kitchen island is approximately 4 by 10 feet long. It has a beautiful cabinetry. It has this white quartz countertop with these gray veins in it. Beautiful. It has a dishwasher next to the sink. The sink is kind of farmer style or apron sink, if you will. It has a little divider inside, stainless steel. Very nice. Pendant lighting. There is, I just want to point out that above the sliding glass door in the family room, there are clerestory windows. This side of the kitchen, same quartz countertop. It has lovely oven, microwave oven, really nice cabinetry, gas top, the nice backsplash, stainless steel hood. On this side, we have the same. More cabinetry, lots of cabinetry in this house. To my left is going to be the pantry that has a little entryway. Nice walk-in pantry. Not sure how big this great room is, but it's lovely. Asymmetrical ceilings, I don't know if you can see that. Really charming, gives it that modern look. Not sure exactly what the size is. Over here, we have, let me show you the patio. This patio is lovely. It's covered here. You first walk out. Partially covered. It's just beautiful. Straight ahead is going to be the sliding glass door that goes to the master. We have the nice little waterfall, which is, it's not really an upgrade, it just goes with the model. With the river rock, very charming. Moving along to the bedrooms. We're moving to the back of the house. Straight ahead is going to be the garage door. We can't go out there right now. It's locked, but it has little drops in there, which is helpful. But that's a 2-car right back there. In the very back of the house next to the master. The master is going to be to the right. I'm going to take you over here to the left. To the left, we have a full bath, 2 bedrooms, and a laundry room. So this has little busy tile, very interesting. It has taupe quartz countertop with dual sinks. Here we have the moving along. The next room in order is a bedroom set up like a den. It's probably 13 by 13. Nice wallpaper. They did a nice job. There's windows and a walk-in closet. On the way out, straight at the end of the hallway, we have a pantry. To the right, We have, oh, there's another one of those beautiful chandeliers. We have another bedroom over here. This one's a little bit smaller. I'm gonna say 12 by 12. We're kind of in the back of the house here. This has its own closet, a walk-in closet. Laundry room, same tile. Nice quartz countertop and cabinetry. Okay, now we're going into the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom has asymmetrical ceiling. It has this beam ceiling. That is a model feature. It probably isn't something that is an upgrade. The sliding glass door again that goes out to that patio. From this perspective, that's lovely, isn't it? Nice windows, nice size room. I'm gonna say this is probably 16 by 16. Okay, moving along, we have 2 walk-in closets. First walk-in closet is on the right. That's helpful. The next walk-in closet. That's helpful. And on this side of the hallway, we have a water closet. Okay, moving along, this shower extends the full length of the wall. It is doorless. And so this is the entryway right here. Dry area. It's nice and big actually. So here you can see all of this is doorless. We have the quartz countertops with the dual sinks. Over here we have a little makeup area, which is kind of cute. Has a lot of charm. I like these mirrors. The mirrors have lights in them. It's really pretty. Okay. This concludes our tour of this plan for model. Again, this home is a 1-story home. It's planned for. It is 2,775 square feet. It features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 2-car garage. And the current base price of this home is $667,000. So, if you're interested in this home or any of the homes in my video tours, or if you want any more information, please contact me with my information below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos. Thanks.